So, I'm very perplexed by question 21 because it says to use equation 3.1 to calculate the slope of the tangent, the derivative, but equation 3.1 is it's for the slope of the secant. Um, you need the limit as h goes to 0 to make it a tangent, like equation 3.4. So I'm confused. Did they mean to say here use equation 3.4? Because you see here, equation 3.1 to find the slope of the secant, that's for the first few we did. And then 3.4 comes up for getting the slope of the tangent and the equation of the tangent line. So that's fine. And then here, we're asked to find f derivative of a using equation 3.1. Well, you could use equation 3.1, but then you would have to make x tend to a. So I mean, could we do it following 3.1? See, what's confusing me, I'll show you here. To equation 3.1. Let's see if I can. Yeah. Dude. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah. Yeah. I don't. 3.3. Yeah. 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 3.5, 3.5, 3.6. I don't know. I don't know. Will I just do it the same way as before? Let's grab a couple. Okay. Where's my pen? Okay. Let's give it a try. We're told we want to use the formula fx minus fa over x minus a. All right, let's see. So for 21, that would be 5 times x plus 4 minus fa. So minus 1 for x, so that's minus 5. Plus 4 is minus 1, so that's plus 1 over x minus minus 1. So that's 5x plus 5 over x plus 1. So that is 5. It's just 5 then. That's not really too surprising. Okay. Let's see how we get on. 22 minus 7x plus 1 minus f of 3. So that would be minus 21 plus 1 is minus 20 plus 20 all over x minus 3. So on the top you can take out the minus 7, and that's x minus 3 over x minus 3. So that's minus 7. Okay, so far it doesn't really matter too much about the formula, because the secant and the tangent will be the same in the linear case. But let's see how 23 looks. X squared plus 9x minus 4 plus 18, 22, all over x minus 2. Okay. So that's equal to x minus 2 times x plus 11 over x minus 2. So that's equal to x plus 11. Now, this is the situation. So what we have is a quadratic like this, like this. And then at the point 2, we have the slope of the secant we want the x to be close to 2 to make the secant more like a tangent. And then when x approaches 2, then it becomes a tangent. Because right now what we have is a secant at the point A is 2 and at the point x. That's what we have here. So as x approaches 2, the secant will become a tangent. So at x equal 2, I could say as x approaches 2, this answer will approach obviously the 13. So let's see how we're doing so far with the answers. Let's check the answers at the back. $21, $5, $13. Yeah, okay. We're getting there. It's not the way I would have preferred to have done it, but it's working. So fx minus f of 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, all over x minus 1. So that will be 3x squared minus x minus 2 over x minus 1. That's x minus 1 times 3x plus 2 over x minus 1. So that's 3x plus 2. And then as x approaches 1, this will become 5. Right. Okay, okay. I think we're doing okay. Let's see. 25, 20. Oh, did I just do 24? Oh, wonderful. Okay, so that's those 4 done. So now let's get the next 4. Or the next few. Now, we got some roots here. Okay. Right, let's see now. It's going to be a bit harder with the root in it. 25 root x minus root 4 over x minus 4. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, let's think. How do I want to do this? Do I want to try factorizing the bottom? Root x minus 2 times root x plus 2. They cancel. That's 1 over root x plus 2. And then that will tend to 1 over, this is when x tends to 4. Quarter. Okay. 26. It's going to be root x minus 2 minus root 4 for x minus 6. Now we're getting the hard ones. How am I going to do this one? I could change this into root x minus 2 over x minus 2 minus 4. So that would be root x minus 2 over root x minus 2 times root x minus 2 plus 2. Cancel, cancel. That's 1 over 2 plus root x minus 2, which tends to 1 over 2 plus root 6 minus 2 as x tends to 6. So that's 1 over 2 plus 2. So that's root, yeah, a quarter. Okay. Okay, that's 25 and 26. So then we'll have 27 to 30. Let's check the answers. 25 is a quarter. Okay. Yeah, okay. 27. Okay, so that's 1 over x minus 1 over 2 over x minus 2. Okay. That's 2x. 2 minus x over x minus 2. They cancel, leaving minus 1. And then that tends to what when x tends to 2? And minus 1 over 4. Okay, 28. Let's just check 27. Yep. 28. 1 over x minus 3 minus 1 over minus 4. So that's a quarter over x plus 1. That's 4x minus 12. 4 plus x minus 3 over x plus 1. So that is x plus 1. 4x minus 12. That's that over 4x minus 12 over x plus 1. Yeah, they cancel. That's 1 over 4x minus 12, which tends to, as x tends to minus 1, minus 1 over 16. Okay. 29. 1 over x cubed minus 1 over x minus 1. That's going to be x cubed 1 minus x cubed over x minus 1, which equals 1 minus x. Well, you know what I'll do? I'll change this into x cubed minus 1 and just put a minus in the front. So this will be minus x minus 1, x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x cubed over x minus 1. They cancel. And this is going to, as x goes to 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Let's check the answer. 27 we said is fine. And 29 minus 3. There's no 2 there. My mistake. That was careless of me. I forgot. I was factorizing the cubic, not squaring a binomial. Okay. Okay, now it's right. Tut tut. Getting a little bit tired, I guess. Okay, 30. 1 over root x minus 1 over root 4 over x minus 4. 2 root x. 2 minus root x over x minus 4, which is x root x minus 2 times root x plus 2. They cancel, leaving a minus 1. So that's minus 1 over 2 root x over root x plus 2, which tends to, as x tends to 4, minus 1 over 2 times root 4, which is 2, over root 4, which is 2 plus 2. So that's minus a quarter divided by 4. So that's minus a 16th. Okay. Yeah. Let me just check that last one here. Second. Yeah. Okay, that's right. Okay. Yes. I don't know if this is how they intended for these questions to be solved, but it's what I had to do to meet the requirement of the question. It said quite clearly, use equation 3.1, which is the equation for the slope of the secant, and we have to get the tangent slope from that, so the x has to tend to a, even though that's not explicit here in the formula, but I think that's what they want to do. Anyways, I've achieved the objective. I found the derivative, the slope of the tangent, for all of these by using equation 3.1. So, mission accomplished, I guess, although I'm not entirely satisfied with that. Okay, and then it looks like it's mostly technology questions for the rest of it. And probably be using a spreadsheet for the first view since it's a table. So yeah, okay. Right, well, that's the good point to wrap it up there for today. Apologies for that little slip with the 2. That's going to bug me now. There wasn't a 2 there. Factorizing a cubic. So yeah, apologies for that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Any problems, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you all next time.